Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're taking that crucial journey into artificial intelligence and machine learning. For you, our listener, the mission today is simple. Cut through the noise. Clarify how these two concepts fit together and explore their real impact, what's happening now and maybe what's next.
That's exactly right. We know you're likely familiar with the basics, so we're not just defining terms. We really want to guide you through a more, let's say, insightful overview. Breaking down what they are, sure, but also some of the surprising hows and whys behind their power.
Okay, great. Let's unpack this then. AI, we hear it everywhere, right? Tech news, movies. But what is this intelligence really? What makes a machine intelligent in this context?
Fundamentally, AI is about building machines, systems that can do things that usually need human intelligence. And think beyond just like calculators. We're talking problem solving, learning from experience, understanding language, seeing the world visually, making complex decisions. It's basically mimicking our cognitive stuff.
Right? Processing information,
Yeah.
adapting. And we use it constantly, sometimes without even thinking about how advanced it is. Our sources mention more than just Siri or Alexa. Think about ChatGPT writing poems, fixing code. That's AI.
Exactly. Or self-driving cars. They're making incredibly complex, real-time decisions based on tons of sensory data.
Yeah, or even just the face recognition on your phone. It seems simple. But mapping features like that, that's sophisticated AI. Okay, so AI is this big, broad goal of smart machines. Here's where it gets really interesting for me. How does machine learning, ML, fit in? Are these machines just programmed step by step for everything?
Ah, well, that's the fascinating part. Machine learning isn't just, another term. It's often the engine driving modern AI. ML is actually a specific subset of AI. It's where systems learn directly from data. They spot patterns, make predictions, get better over time. But crucially, without needing explicit instructions for every single outcome, they figure rules out themselves.
Ah, okay. So AI is the goal, make machines smart. And ML is a primary way they learn to be smart, learning automatically from data.
Precisely. AI sets the what's intelligent behavior. ML provides the how learning adaptively. Think about your email spam filter. A traditional one might just have rules.
Yeah.
Block these words.
Oh.
An ML one, it learns what spam looks like by seeing millions of examples. It adapts as spammers change tactics.
Right, it evolves, like the recommendations on Amazon, maybe
Yeah,
tailoring things based on my history and what others bought.
exactly that. Or voice-to-text systems becoming more accurate. Even some complex stock market trading relies heavily on ML. These systems are constantly refining themselves based on new information. It's quite powerful. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, the future here is massive. AI and ML are poised to really reshape almost every industry. It's going beyond simple automation now.
Totally. Our sources point to huge strides in, say, healthcare, AI helping doctors diagnose things faster, even speeding up drug discovery.
Absolutely. Identifying potential drug compounds, things like that. Or in business, smarter customer support, really sophisticated fraud detection, spotting patterns humans might miss.
It's not sci-fi anymore, is it? It's happening now. High-impact stuff.
Which raises a really important question, I think. How do we see humans and AI working together? It's often framed as replacement, but it's not the whole story. Think about AI tools boosting our creativity, personalized education adapting just for you.
Yeah, like Copilot tools,
Yeah.
helping with coding or design or even writing complex reports.
Exactly. They become extensions of our own abilities, really powerful collaborators, potentially.
Of course, with tech this big, there's the whole societal side, the ethics. Our sources definitely acknowledge that. The need for sensible regulation, responsible use.
Right. And the ongoing debate about jobs, ensuring AI is safe, fair, reducing bias, it's a crucial conversation.
So, wrapping this up, what's the core takeaway from our deep dive today? Essentially, AI is the broad concept machine simulating human smarts.
And machine learning is the key method, the how. It's how machines learn from data automatically to achieve that intelligence. And looking forward, expect smarter, safer, more integrated AI. It'll become increasingly part of the fabric of our lives, often unseen.
So, the final thought for you, our listener, now that you have maybe a clearer picture of AI versus ML, how might that understanding empower you, not just to use these technologies better, but maybe even help shape how they develop responsibly? Something to think about.